Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. We are back in beautiful Vienna, and the reason why we're here is because I got a call from Chanel that they managed to find the piece that I was looking for, which was sold out everywhere, but they managed to order it, so we're going to pick it up and see if it actually fits. And yeah, the rest of the plan is to just stroll around, do a bit of shopping, and of course I'll take you with us. Quick outfit check. I am wearing my new Max Mara Kalia coat. Then I'm wearing a pair of ear warmers, I think this is called in English, from UGG, and these are actually headphones. Super nice. Then I'm wearing my beige medium classic flap, a pair of Uniqlo pants, and my Chanel sneakers. And below that I have a super warm and cozy Acne Studios knit. We are back home, and what shall I say? No buy January was a fail, I guess. By the way, I am wearing the Prada lipstick that I got for Christmas today for the first time. The color is a little bit darker than expected on my lips, but what do we think? This is how it looks as a lipstick. Does it fit me? I think I really like it. It's a little bit different than what I usually wear, but it's still a pretty neutral tone. Alright, let's get started with the unboxing. If you've watched my 2024 wishlist video, you know that that caramel Chanel cardigan was on top of my wishlist. So of course I couldn't say no once I tried it on, and it turned out to fit perfectly. So we can already successfully tick the first box off the wishlist. It is from the Coco Neige collection, and I've seen it for the first time when we were in Paris in November. I didn't try it on back then, but I kept thinking about it. When I asked for it a month later in the boutique in Vienna, it was already too late as it was not available anymore in any size. So my Esther managed to order it from another boutique and told me just one day before New Year's Eve that she got the confirmation that it will be shipped to Vienna for me and that I can pick it up in January. And here it is, so let's unbox this together. I did not open it up yet, so let's have a look. This is my second Chanel ready-to-wear piece. The first one was the white tee that I got for Christmas. I have an own Christmas gift unboxing video up on my channel if you're interested to see that. Alright, let's take this out. Wow, I just love Chanel's ready-to-wear dust bags with the little bows on here. So cute. Let me take it out. That's a little bit tricky to unbox, I have to say. Wait, hold on a second. Let me put that down. So this is the set cardigan. Guys, how perfect is this cardigan? I just love the color. It is the most perfect shade of beige or caramel, and I love the quilted stitching details here. It is very Chanel. And then the silver buttons here with the little crystals, not too much, just a little shiny detail. And let me tell you, this is so soft. It's a mix of cashmere and silk. I'm just in love. Alright, let me try that on for you. I mean, you've already seen the footage from the store, but I'll show you once again. For reference, this is a size 40, I think. Yes, this is 40. In the white tee, I'm wearing a size 42, so I was a little bit afraid if this will be too small on me, but I think it fits just perfect. I think it could have been a little bit more oversized, but I think it still looks good, but let me know what you think. So cozy, it's so warm. Perfect winter knit. What do you think? Guys, this is just the best knit I ever owned. It is so soft. I can't say it often enough. It feels like I'm wrapped in a super cozy, warm, thick blanket. My boyfriend just said it looks a little bit like a gingerbread. I mean, I do get it. It's the color and maybe also the stitching. As said, it's very wintry, but I think you can definitely wear it as well in spring season and also in autumn. Perfect for colder evenings. I'm just such a fan of this piece. It's so pretty. It's just 100% me, and I couldn't be happier having this now in my closet. By the way, this time they also gave me that beautiful hanger too. It didn't come with the white tee, but for the cardigan, they were so nice to give me one of these. I mean, how beautiful is that? Of course, I also asked for the dark beige belay flats once again, but they are not part of any current collection. Just the classic beige ones were available, which I tried on once again, but I'm still not convinced that they match my skin tone very well. I also asked about a pair in metallic silver, but these are obviously also not part of any current collection, so I'll probably look out for a vintage pair. And the classic pearl necklace that I'm looking out for was also not available. There are a couple of new Chanel pearl necklaces in the spring-summer pre-collection. I can include some photos if you're interested in that. I think they are cute, but they're not exactly what I'm looking out for. I'm also still looking for a classic black short sleeve. However, the current collection is only carrying striped versions, which is again nothing that I'm looking for. But I will insert the pictures that my essay sent to me in case you're interested. I also tried on a pair of Celine Margaret loafers that I also mentioned in my wishlist video, and surprisingly they were not too uncomfortable. I mean, still far away from comfy, but bearable. So I definitely thought they're more stiff and harder on the heel, but they are quite okay compared to some other versions that I've tried on recently. But as spring is approaching slowly, I'm not sure if I still need them. They're definitely more for wintry shoes, so maybe I'll just wait for the next autumn-winter season and then decide if I will go for a chunky pair of loafer then. The second piece that I picked up is a little something from Gucci. This one we can file under spontaneous impulsive purchases. I've just seen it a couple of times online before, and when I saw it in the store, I just liked it and I didn't think twice and I just took it with me. So let me show you what I'm talking about. By the way, I love the grey new shopping bags that Gucci has now. I wish the box could also come in grey because I'm not the biggest fan of that green pattern, I have to say. Also, the ribbon looks a little bit different, I've noticed, with the silver horsebit print. Quite pretty. So let's open this up. Can you guess what this is? Probably not, because I've never mentioned that on my channel before, but I'm sure you might have seen this piece. So let's open this up. And it is the monogram canvas cosmetic pouch with the golden horsebit details. Usually I don't really have a sweet spot for small leather goods and cosmetic pouches, but I don't know what this one has. It somehow caught my eye, and as said, it was an impulsive purchase and I just loved the look of it. I already have an LV pouch in a similar size, but that's actually the only cosmetic pouch that I have for traveling, so I thought it would be nice to have at least one alternative. And I'm actually using the LV pouch more for jewelry, so now I have an actual cosmetic pouch to put my makeup in for shorter trips. Let me open it up that you can have a look at the inside. So it is quite plain. It just comes with that rosy beige, satiny, silky lining. There are no extra pockets inside. The LV pouch has a few pockets inside, but honestly I barely use them as there does not really fit much inside as they're so flat. I think a cosmetic pouch of this size does not really need extra pockets inside, as it's anyways quite small and doesn't fit too much, so you easily find all the stuff that is in there. So that's that. How do you like this pouch? Let me know in the comments. By the way, I also stopped by MS once again to finally get on that appointment list, but guess what? Of course they said no again and told me that I should try again in April. And of course they cannot put me on some wait list because I asked them if it's possible to just write down my name and then let me know once the appointments are open for April or May actually again. But they declined. I just don't know how I should nail that timing. I just see myself asking in April again just to be told that the appointments are already fully booked until end of August or something again. If anybody of you has tips on that, let me know because I just don't get it. So I guess chances are not too high that I will get a Birkin or a mini Kelly this year either, but we will not give up yet. Talking bags, I also got the chance to check out the Alaia heart bag and I have to say that I really like it, but there was just a version with crystal studs available, which I'm not the biggest fan of. I prefer a plain version in either black or white, but it was nice to see it at least in person for once, and I have to say that it also seems to be more practical than I thought because it opens up quite nicely. The zip goes all around the bag and you can completely open it up, so I think it actually looks smaller than it is. I did not try if my phone would fit in there, but I think it could work. Not sure. Still not 100% sure if I really need that bag, but I will keep an eye on it. And that's it for today's video, guys. How do you like my newest additions? I can't wait to style this cardigan and wear it probably every day. I just love it so much. It's so beautiful and so cozy. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming ones. See you soon. Bye, guys.